Stata 1, 968 Ford F100 4x4, $7,000, Orinda, Moraga, California. The 1968 Ford F100 is a rare factory four-wheel drive truck with a robust 302 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. It features a Dana 21 transfer case and a clean California title. Though the odometer is broken and the exact mileage is unknown, the truck retains its original charm with a rugged black paint finish. This is a solid candidate for restoration or off-road enthusiasts who appreciate vintage trucks. Two, 1989 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, $5,000 South Minnesota. This 1989 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat is a well-preserved example of a classic workhorse. It features a 4-bod system with manual locking hubs and a manual transmission. With only 74,440 miles, likely rolled over, this truck has been carefully maintained, including recent brake work and a new serpentine belt. It has minor cosmetic issues, including a cracked windshield and uneven tire wear, but runs reliably. A practical option for collectors or utility-focused buyers. Three 1966 Ford F-250, $7,200 Red Bluff, California. This 1966 Ford F-250 boasts a powerful 390 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It needs a new starter solenoid, but is otherwise operational. The truck's clean title and straight body lines make it an attractive candidate for restoration. Registered through the next year, this vintage workhorse is ideal for someone seeking a project with strong potential. 1986 Ford 250, Ford $900, Russellville, Arkansas. This 1986 Ford F-250 is powered by a 351 Windsor engine and features a 2-WD drivetrain. With just over 120,000 miles, it's in good condition for its age and comes with a clean title. The gray paint and solid mechanicals make it a dependable choice for a collector or as a rugged utility vehicle. Five, 1966 Ford Ranchero, 1,950 Marana, Arizona. Offered as either a restoration project or a donor car, this 1966 Ford Ranchero features a 289 engine and manual transmission. It hasn't been started since 2016 and shows significant damage on the driver's side, but retains many valuable and hard-to-find parts, an affordable entry point into classic car restoration for enthusiasts. Class 6, 1979 Chevy LUV Long Bed 35500 Richmond, California. This 1979 Chevy LUV Long Bed is an all-original project truck with a unique patina blue finish. It features a rare long bed configuration, automatic transmission, and clean California title. The truck runs, but requires carburetor adjustments. This is a great opportunity for collectors looking for a rare compact pickup to restore. Seven, 1965 Ford F100, $6,500, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. This 1965 Ford F100, featuring a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, runs smoothly and has minimal leaks. The truck is mechanically sound but requires front brake pads and has some rust. With its clean title and working amenities like heat and cab light, it's a reliable classic with room for personalization. Eight, 1978 GMC Heavy Half C10, $3,000, Colorado. This 1978 GMC C10 is powered by a 350 engine and Muncie 3-speed manual transmission. It features recent upgrades, including a rebuilt carburetor and new clutch components. While it has rust issues and requires floorboard replacement, the truck runs and drives well, making it an affordable project vehicle with great potential. Nine, 1972 Ford F-250 4SP390, $5,500, Battleground, Washington. With a 390 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1972 Ford F-250 is a well-preserved classic truck. It runs great and comes with a clean title. Having spent time in Arizona, the truck is relatively free of rust, making it a solid candidate for light restoration or daily use. Ten, 1976 Ford F-150 4x4 plow truck, 35 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1976 Ford F-150 is equipped with a powerful V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and hydraulic plow. Designed for utility, the truck runs well but has spongy brakes. With its clean title and reliable plowing capability, this is an excellent work vehicle for snowy regions. 11, 1987 Nissan D21 pickup V6 4x4, Portland, Oregon. This 1987 Nissan D21 features a V6 engine, 4x4 drivetrain, and manual transmission. Equipped with aftermarket bumpers, lights, and a lift, it's a rugged and stylish classic pickup. Though it runs slightly rich, this truck is ideal for off-road enthusiasts or collectors seeking an iconic model. 12. 1988 Chevrolet C1500-1 $150 Albany, Oregon. Price to sell. This 1988 Chevy C1500 has 211,000 miles and numerous recent upgrades, including a new radiator and rebuilt rear end. However, it requires an engine overhaul or swap due to low compression in one cylinder. A budget-friendly option for mechanically inclined buyers. (13) 1983 Toyota 4x4 6900 Idaho. This rare 1983 Toyota 4x4 long bed is in excellent condition with a lifted suspension and new all-terrain tires. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and a rebuilt carburetor. With a straight body and clean title, this classic Toyota is a dependable and stylish off-road vehicle. (14) 1988 Dodge Ram D150, $5,000, Meridian, Idaho. This 1988 Dodge Ram D150 starts reliably and drives well, making it a solid restoration candidate. It has been lightly used as a farm truck, and its clean title and classic design make it a great base for a vintage truck enthusiast. (15) 1989 Chevy Truck 5-Speed 4x4, $3,500, Los Lunas, New Mexico. This 1989 Chevy 1500 features a 5-speed manual transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. Though the odometer is broken, the truck runs well and is sold as is. A good option for those seeking a reliable, classic utility vehicle with customization potential.